Pumpkin is a versatile ingredient that can be used to prepare sweet and salty recipes. If you enjoy eating pumpkin, then you should learn all about its benefits. Healthy eyes. Beta-carotene, lutein, and other carotenoids found in pumpkin are important for eye health. A cup of cooked pumpkin contains more than 200% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin A, which is very beneficial for the eyesight. It improves immunity. The vitamin C and beta-carotene present in pumpkin benefit the immune system because the latter is converted to vitamin A, which helps create the white blood cells that fight infections and help keep our body healthy. It's great for diabetics. Many studies have already shown that the nutrients found in pumpkin can help improve insulin resistance and slow the progression of diabetes while simultaneously reducing blood sugar levels. It reduces inflammation and risk of arthritis. Eating pumpkin regularly has been associated with less inflammation. A study has also shown how the consumption of carotenoids reduces the risk of developing inflammatory disorders, such as rheumatoid arthritis. It contributes to weight loss. The fiber is great for weight control because they are able to leave you feeling full for longer. In addition, it's a low-calorie food and is great for people who want to lose weight. Healthy skin and hair. In addition to the nutrients and carotenoids we have previously discussed, pumpkin is rich in vitamin E, which is extremely beneficial for our skin and hair. It's a healthy choice for your heart. Pumpkin is also rich in potassium, an essential and beneficial mineral that can be great for people suffering from hypertension. A study performed in 2017 showed that potassium consumption may be almost as important as decreasing our sodium, salt intake when it comes to treating high blood pressure. Another study showed that people who regularly consumed beta-carotene have a lower risk of dying from cardiovascular diseases. The fiber in pumpkin is also useful for lowering cholesterol and triglycerides. It cleanses the liver. Pumpkin can also improve liver health and aid detoxification thanks to beta-carotene and other carotenoids. It prevents cancer. According to the National Cancer Institute, USA, beta-carotene and the antioxidants present in pumpkins may play a role in cancer prevention. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.